Broccoli. A nutritious vegetable with a rich history and many health benefits. History of broccoli. Broccoli has been known since the time of ancient Rome. This variety of cabbage began spreading during the Middle Ages. In England, broccoli was nicknamed Italian asparagus, while in Germany it was called brown head. Yulia Zabolotskaya-Izbekova, nutritionist. Broccoli only gained true recognition in the 20th century. Today, it's a fairly common food. However, many people still confuse cauliflower with broccoli. The main difference is color. Broccoli is green or purple, while cauliflower is yellowish-white. What's in broccoli? Broccoli contains a large number of vitamins and minerals essential for human health. It actually surpasses cauliflower in its nutritional profile. For example, 100 grams of broccoli contains as much calcium as a glass of milk. It also contains vitamins A, E, C, and B complex, essential amino acids like tryptophan, lysine, and isoleucine, and minerals such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Its high fiber content not only keeps you full but also helps cleanse the intestines, restore healthy digestion, and relieve constipation. Broccoli contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber. These are coarse plant fibers that aren't broken down by stomach acid. They swell up quickly, filling the stomach and suppressing hunger. Acting like a scrub brush, they clean the digestive tract of food residues and fats, preventing cholesterol buildup. Soluble fiber. These don't swell but are broken down by stomach acid, providing energy and nutrients to the body. Health benefits of broccoli. Like all types of cabbage, broccoli is beneficial at any age. Regular consumption can help with herpes, diabetes, constipation, kidney disorders, and high blood pressure. Benefits for women. Vitamin C supports the health of hair, skin, and nails, while minerals help the body during PMS. Vitamin B9, folate, promotes healthy fetal development during pregnancy. Broccoli is also rich in folic acid, which helps reduce the risk of birth defects. Broccoli contains compounds called indoles that help regulate estrogen levels in women. This can be especially helpful during menopause, when estrogen levels drop. Benefits for men. Potassium is especially important for men who engage in intense physical activity. Broccoli is rich in potassium, calcium, vitamin C, and folic acid, making it a heart and bone healthy vegetable. Its antioxidant properties also help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and other types of cancer. Benefits for children. Broccoli is a hypoallergenic food, making it safe during breastfeeding and suitable as a first food for babies. It's an excellent choice for growing children as it contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron for healthy bone development. The fiber content supports digestive health and helps prevent constipation. How much broccoli can you eat per day? 100 grams of broccoli contains about 30 calories, 3 grams of protein, 4 to 5 grams of carbs, and virtually no fat. While its calorie content is slightly higher than regular cabbage, broccoli is still a very diet-friendly food. You can eat up to 200 grams of broccoli daily, enough to help prevent many health issues. Thanks to its low calorie count and high fiber content, broccoli is very filling. You can eat it at any time of day, even at night, without worrying about gaining weight. It's truly one of the best foods for weight loss. As with any healthy food, the key is to eat broccoli regularly as part of a balanced diet for the best results. Broccoli in medicine. Regular consumption of broccoli can improve immune function and support healthy skin due to its antioxidant properties. While broccoli isn't used as a primary medicine, its health benefits and nutritional content can support overall well-being. Cancer prevention. Broccoli contains sulforaphanes, which have anti-cancer properties and help block the action of carcinogens, protecting cells from damage. Regular intake of broccoli may reduce the risk of breast cancer, prostate cancer, and lung cancer. Sulforaphanes also help lower blood glucose levels by up to 10%. Broccoli has a low glycemic index of just 15. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and some cancers. Broccoli contains flavonoids, antioxidants, and other compounds that help fight inflammation. Its low purine content helps the body eliminate uric acid and its salts, which are the main cause of gout. Supports heart health. Antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and quercetin protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals. Fiber helps lower cholesterol and maintain healthy blood pressure. Therapeutic diets. Broccoli is commonly included in diets for lowering blood pressure, as well as in sports and medical nutrition plans. It's used in diets for pancreatitis, gastritis, and liver problems. Broccoli supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria and promotes a healthy microbiome. Its low calorie content and high fiber make it effective for weight loss. Cooking with broccoli. Broccoli can be eaten raw, but it's tastier when cooked. It pairs well with meat and fish, enhances soups, especially in Asian cuisine, and makes a great addition to salads. How to choose broccoli. Fresh broccoli. Look for a vibrant green, or slightly purple, head with no wilted areas. Avoid yellowing or browning. These are signs of overripeness. The crown should be compact and dense, with tight green buds. Avoid broccoli with cracks or flowering buds. The stalk should be firm and solid. The florets shouldn't be too dry or crumbly. That indicates it's been sitting out too long. The cut at the stem should be pale, and there should be no bad smell. Frozen broccoli. When buying packaged or loose frozen broccoli, make sure there is no snow or ice on the florets. Choose products that have been flash frozen. The florets shouldn't be clumped into ice chunks, which could indicate improper storage temperature. How to store broccoli. Store fresh broccoli in the refrigerator. Wrap it in plastic wrap or a plastic bag, or place it in a sealed container. Avoid storing it next to apples, pears, bananas, or avocados. Temperature should be between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 39 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Broccoli will keep for 4 to 5 days in the fridge. Whole heads last longer than chopped ones. If chopped, let the pieces dry slightly before storing. You can also freeze broccoli. It retains its nutritional properties for up to 6 months in the freezer. Why you shouldn't overboil broccoli. More accurate to say you shouldn't overcook broccoli, as it leads to negative results: a strong odor, loss of shape, mushy texture, and dull green color. Nutrient loss. Even after boiling, broccoli retains vitamin K, sulforaphanes, and antioxidants. To preserve its nutrients, it's best to steam or sauté broccoli instead of boiling it for too long. What's the most nutritious part of broccoli? The crown, florets, contains the most vitamins and minerals. Vitamins C, K, A, folate, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants like sulforaphanes. However, the stems and leaves also contain nutrients and are edible. Stems are particularly high in fiber and are great in soups and sauces. Can you cook broccoli stems? Yes. While the florets are used more often, broccoli stems are also nutritious and can be delicious. They have nearly the same nutrient content as the florets, so don't throw them away. You can boil the thicker stems along with the crown to soften them. After cooking, slice them into salads, soups, or side dishes. You can also sauté or braise chopped stems with other vegetables to add texture, flavor, and nutritional value. Stems can even be used in vegetable broths along with spices and other vegetables.